Join me in a little minute-to-win-it target practice.
Yes.
Do you think you can beat my score? Let me teach you how to do this and other minute-to-win-it games. Do you need some quarantine or rainy day ideas? Maybe you just need some ideas for some family fun. How about 5 fun, easy minute-to-win-it games? These games include target practice, a game called Wendy, one called Unwrapped, the Chopstick Challenge, and Hole-in-One. Let's get started. This is the setup for target practice. This is the dart gun that I got at Walmart. It's a Nerf dart gun. You may already have a pop gun or something at home, and if you don't want to use a gun like this, you can use rubber bands to shoot at your targets. Now, on this dart gun, there's a warning that says you need to wear safety goggles. So check your box and see if your dart gun needs safety goggles as well. I think I'm addicted to this game, and it was so easy to set up. All I did was I took a string and tied it between 2 chairs. I poked holes in these cups, put a little tape on the string, and hung them on here. It just took minutes to get ready. I bought this particular Nerf dart gun for under $4. And now I want to see how I can do hitting these targets. I don't know. I haven't really practiced with this very much, but it's loaded and ready to go. Let's give it a try. Yes. Oh. Yes. 3. I gotta reload. Yes. 4. Oh. 5. Oh. Gotta reload. Oh, my minute's up. Well, I had to reload. If you have somebody else with you, they could get them back to you faster. But I had a lot of fun. And by the way, I think I'm gonna keep shooting. This is great. Look at the easy supplies you need for the next game. I'll show you what to do. For this game, I'm gonna call it Wendy. You're going to take a glass and put a cotton ball on top. Have a bowl in front and then a bowl full of cotton balls. And you're going to blow it and see if you can get it into the bowl. Whoops. See if I can do any better. Now, of course, you can change the distance of the bowl and make it harder or easier. Let's see how I do in a minute. I needed a lot more breath for this one. Okay. Let me see how many I got in. 18. I'm excited about the supplies for the next game. Check it out. I really like this game because it involves chocolate. And I call it Unwrapped. Now, some people use mittens. I couldn't frustrate myself that much. I'm gonna use gloves. And these gloves don't have any traction to them. And what you have to do is, in a minute, see how many chocolates you can unwrap with your gloves on. You can use Hershey Kisses or any kind of chocolate that's wrapped. Ready? Let's give it a try. Oh my goodness, this is hard. Oh. Okay, there's one. Oh my. And some people do this with mittens instead of gloves. This would be really hard. Aha, I'm gonna eat 2 chocolates. You would think with my chocolate addiction, I'd be able to do a lot better. But boy, I didn't get very far. Okay. 4 chocolates unwrapped, and that's it. Oh my goodness. That's not enough chocolate for me. Here are the tasty supplies for the next game. Are you ready for the chopstick challenge? I don't even know how to hold chopsticks, but I don't think that's a requirement for this game. I decided to use frosted mini wheats. Grandpa Bob eats exactly 14 frosted mini wheats every day with 10 slices of banana on it. I hope he doesn't miss these because he counts. Let's give it a try. What you do is you use your chopsticks, oh my, and you transfer the frosted mini wheats from one bowl to another. Uh-oh. Let's see how I do in a minute. I was not very good at this game. Chopsticks are not my thing. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I need to go eat some Chinese food and practice. I wouldn't use this plate for eating, but it sure is fun for a game. Let's try this last game. Now, we're going to play what I call hole-in-one. All you need is a ping pong ball and a disposable plate. It could be paper or styrofoam. I traced the ball on the plate and then made the hole a little bit bigger than the ball. And all you have to do is put the ball on the plate and try to get it in the hole. And see how many times you can do that in a minute. It's not as easy as it looks. Let's see how I do. One. Come on. Get in there. 2. It looks so easy, but it is a little bit tricky. Maybe I'll get better with practice. Oh no, come on. Get in there. 11. 12. I hope you had fun with these Minute to Win It games. I sure did. I hope you play better than I do too. I just want to say to Grandpa Bob, Grandma Lou, Megan, and Kate, I'm ready for the next time we're all together. Let's play some games.